What's up guys? So today I'm making a childhood classic, my grandma's Japanese ground beef and egg bowl, or Soboro Don. Alright, I already have my rice cooking, and I'm just gonna go outside now to cook the beef because my dog Raiden, he's just sensitive to the greasy air. Alright, I've got my pan on medium heat, and I'm just gonna start with some fragrant chopped ginger. Next, I'm adding in the ground beef, breaking it up gently as it browns. Gotta wipe up some of that excess oil, then back to the heat for the good stuff. And we're adding in some sweetness with sugar, umami with soy sauce, and a touch of sake for depth. We'll just let this simmer until most of the liquid has evaporated and the flavors have had time to mingle. Okay, I'm back inside and I'm whisking together 4 eggs with a bit of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a little MSG for that savory boost. Alright, these are going into a dry pan that has not been preheated. I'm turning the heat on to medium-low, and I'm going to let the eggs rest for a minute or two undisturbed. This will allow the bottom to set just slightly. Now I'm just gently stirring to get those curds forming, kind of like a dance between resting and stirring. As the eggs cook faster, I'm stirring more often, scraping the bottom so they don't stick. Aiming for that creamy but not runny consistency. Whole process takes about 6 to 7 minutes. And this is what the eggs look like when they're done. Alright, time to plate this up. I just filled up a bowl with rice. And now I'm just going to top it with the eggs and the ground beef. Oh, and I forgot, you can also garnish it with some green onions. Look at that, it looks so good. And I also like to eat it with a side of some of this red pickled ginger. I like to get a little bit of the ground beef and the egg together. That's really good. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.